install the oil engine pickup tube correctly, our engine is dead.
This is JC Street Custom. So for this episode, we're going to be installing the oil pan on a Gen 4 Kawasaki ZX10R.
Now I'm gonna give you one chance.
So we have to do it right the first time. So first thing that we need to do is we're going to take these O-rings that go on the oil pipe. And what we want to do is just grease the O-rings.
No way! Yes way, Dad!
You always want to put some grease on the area that you're applying the O-ring. You always want to grease the lip of seals as well. So we got the O-rings greased up. We're gonna put the O-rings on the pipe. Put the O-rings on the pipe, and then we'll install the oil pipe. Okay, so now the oil pipe can only go in one way.
And that's the bottom line.
I'm sure. Now that we have the oil pipe on, what we want to do is install the oil pipe holder. And we want to use thread lock to hold down the oil pipe holder. Oil pipe holder.
Today, Junior!
And we'll tighten down the oil pipe holder bolt to a torque rating. So tighten down the bolt all the way down until it's flush. The oil pipe holder bolt is torqued down to 87 inch-pounds. Don't get the two messed up.
You got that?
If you try to do an 87 foot-pounds on an 87 inch-pound bolt, you're gonna snap it.
Of course.
Okay. Now the oil pipe is installed. Okay, next thing that we need to do is install this oil pressure relief valve. If you're going to be taking apart a ZX10R and you're going to be opening up the oil pan, you want to make sure that the oil pressure relief valve is working. If not, and I would buy a new one. Just buy a new one just to be sure. Motorcycle parts for $30.
Answer. Daily double.
So the next thing that we need to do is install the oil pressure relief valve. Apply a non-permanent locking agent to the threads of the oil pressure relief valve and tighten it. Oil pressure relief valve is 11 foot-pounds. Do not apply too much non-permanent locking agent to the threads. This may block the oil passage.
What are you trying to convince me of exactly?
So we'll apply the thread locking agent. Okay, we want to tighten down the oil pressure relief valve. It needs to be tightened down to 11 foot-pounds. (11 foot-pounds). I also want to stress that when you torque it down to 11 foot-pounds, that you do not over tighten the oil pressure relief valve. Next, we're going to install this oil tube and this oil tube fitting. The first thing we want to do is put this oil pipe in. To do that, we want to take a rubber mallet. Just take the rubber mallet and hit it on the end, and you want to hit it until it gets all the way to the base.
I'll base your ass on my fist.
Okay, Now that that is in place, the next thing that we want to do is apply the tube. So what we'll do is we'll just add a little bit of grease, engine assembly lube to the fitting. Take your pliers here with your greasy fingers. It shows that the clamp is facing this direction in the manual. Next we want to install the oil pickup tube, but first we want to install the O-ring. So I've already put grease on the O-ring, we just want to install it. And then for the oil pickup tube, we want to install the oil pickup tube with these notches here that fit over inside the crankcase. Now that this is done, we can install the oil pan itself.
We want to do it too.
Okay, so for our final objective, what we're going to do now is install the oil pan. For the oil pan, we're going to use genuine Kawasaki parts, made in Japan. So per the manual, it says that you only use the OEM gasket, no silicone sealant. So next we just take our oil pan, set it over the top. To finish the oil pan install, there is a tightening sequence that you have to go by. The torque rating for the tightening sequence is 87 inch-pounds.
A few moments later.
Now we have installed the oil pan. So we hope it works right, or it could be the death of your engine. Thanks for watching.